Hello everybody. Today let's explore some of the features of BigBlueButton in an instant meeting. So first, in the search window, we'll type BigBlueButton. We see the option for BigBlueButton open source web conferencing. Clicking on this link will take us to the home page of BigBlueButton. Here we can see that it is displaying what are the features that teachers will enjoy, such as use of a whiteboard. We can click on teachers and try it now. So it shows us the homeroom and it gives us the link to our homeroom, which we can copy, and we can invite participants by sending this link via, say, WhatsApp, email, etc. If we want to start this instant meeting, we can click over here. Now we'll soon be into the BigBlueButton room. So it asks us whether we wish to join listen-only mode or use of microphone. It's always good to use it with the microphone in case we wish to. The teacher will need to talk.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So, okay. The participants also need to select the microphone in case they need to ask questions or discuss some point. So here in this room, we can have various options such as the chat window, use of the webcam. So the chat window is displayed here. You can say hello and send the message. We can use webcams. We can have audio. We can use emojis. We can prepare breakout rooms, polling options, screen sharing, multi-user whiteboard. So we can minimize this and we can select a few options here, such as creating breakout rooms. Now here we can select number of rooms. So if participants are less, we can select smaller numbers. If they're more, we can say select 5. For what duration? Suppose 15 minutes. Now this is a good option of randomly assigning the students to the breakout room so that they get to interact with each other and with different participants each time. Once we click on this, now I'm the only person, so assignment is not possible, but then we would click on create and then we would close this. So in the next video tutorial, we'll have more of the features discussed. So thank you. I'll end the meeting. And we can give feedback. And then we need to sign out. So you have many different options, as you can see here. So thank you for looking at this video.